Okay, let's start the class. Today we will talk about today we will start a new topic, plagiarism. We were talking about research ethics, and plagiarism is also a part of research ethics. So we will start with, what do you think about plagiarism? What your research scholars' point of view of plagiarism? And then we will sum it up with the established facts. What do you think about plagiarism? What is plagiarism? What do you think about plagiarism? What do you understand by plagiarism? Yes. What do you think by plagiarism? You can see the board, I think. Yes. What is plagiarism? What is plagiarism? What really is the plagiarism? You all come across the plagiarism. What is plagiarism? What do you think by plagiarism? What is plagiarism? Yes? Yes, Shamim. What is plagiarism? What do you understand by plagiarism? Yes. Yes. Yes, Shamim. What is plagiarism?
They copied something from another basically.
Copying something from another source.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Copying like copying something from, and what type of copying? Another published article or research paper. Yes. What type of copying? Copy paste, verbatim. Yes. Yes, Shamim. What do you mean by copying? Copying verbatim.
मतलब उस किसी भी वर्ड को चेंज
Yes. Yes, Shamim. What is? Yes. I want to know today your views. In the next class, we will discuss it in details. What is the established concept of plagiarism? But what do you think by plagiarism? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? We will have a discussion today. For the introduction. Yes. What do you first? Let me know. What do you think by plagiarism? Yes. How the copying whole paragraph, copying sentences, copying words, copying ideas, what it is? What do you mean by copying?
ideas, sir.
Copying?
Yeah. Ideas.
I cannot hear your voice clearly. Yes, try to reposition your mic. Yes, I mean, copying as
Ideas.
idea. Copying idea. Yes, copying idea. Idea means research idea, isn't it? And copying. Yes.
Sir, copying sentence of
Copying, yes, आसिफा, copying
Sentences? Yes,
sentences.
sir, sentences. सर अगर हम लोग मतलब 6 वर्ड्स मोर मतलब जो कोई भी सेंटेंस में जो किसी की दूसरे के सेंटेंस में 6 वर्ड्स को मतलब लगातार 6 वर्ड्स को हम लोग अगर यूज करें तो वो प्लेजरिज्म में आ जाता है.
That you're talking about the working of the plagiarism detection softwares, that 6 words. But what it is, and what is the main idea behind plagiarism? Why so much hue and cry about plagiarism? First, we should know that what it is, why it is so strictly followed. क्यों हम इतना प्लेजरिज्म पर ध्यान दे रहे हैं? क्या बेसिक आइडिया उसके पीछे? ये जो हम तक आता है वो ज़्यादातर ये है कि कैसे प्लेजरिज्म को इवेट किया जाए, कैसे डिटेक्ट किया जाए. बट व्हाट इट इज, व्हाई प्लेजरिज्म इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट? व्हाट इज द बेसिक आइडिया बिहाइंड द प्लेजरिज्म? यस, yes, Asifa. Farheen, what is the basic idea behind the plagiarism? Why we want to check the plagiarism? In principle, what is plagiarism? Yes. In principle, what is plagiarism? Yes. Yes, Tamkeen, what is plagiarism?
So copying a large piece of text without citing that sources or someone else's work as your own.
Without citing.
Citing that sources. Yes, sir.
Okay, means copying verbatim and not giving. Verbatim means as it is, word by word. And not giving the reference.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that needs a fine tuning. Yes, Aarti, what do you think?
Sir, protecting someone's intellectual property.
Yes, protecting. Yes, the basic idea behind plagiarism is that we should stop credit stealing. Actually, it has been established, the words, the ideas, the articles, the sentences has become established as a property, and our idea is that the person who created the idea, who created the article, who created the thought, who created the story should get the credit for it, isn't it? जिसने ये पेपर लिखा या ये रिसर्च आइडिया दिया, उससे उसका क्रेडिट मिलना चाहिए. दैट इज लाइक अ प्रॉपर्टी. नो ट्रेसपासिंग, नो स्टीलिंग ऑफ आइडिया. इससे रोकने के लिए ही हम प्लेजरिज्म यूज़ करते हैं. बाकी जो आप सुनते हैं वो एक्चुअली प्लेजरिज्म डिटेक्शन की टेक्निक्स हैं, कि वर्ड बाय वर्ड है या सेंटेंसेस है. We will talk about in detail that if we give the credit, then also sometimes it is plagiarism, isn't it? अगर हम क्रेडिट दे भी दें तो भी ये प्लेजरिज्म है. Is that so or not? Yes, Tahreem. अगर हमने कोई पैराग्राफ कॉपी किया और उसे क्रेडिट भी दे दिया रेफरेंसेस में, तो वो प्लेजरिज्म है या नहीं है? Yes,
Yes, sir, it will be
it will
plagiarism.
be plagiarism, because if we are taking his or her sentence, then we should write that, and we should write that in quotes, and we should not copy paragraph by paragraph if it is not very necessary. We should give in quotes. We have to show that it is his her other person's sentence. You cannot use the sentence, isn't it? We will talk about main types of plagiarism if the time permits today or in the next class. Yes, and which are the other types of plagiarism? If we copy word by word, then it is plagiarism. And if we change the sentence, then yes, Farheen. If we change the sentence, then it is plagiarism or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the what that is called? What that is called?
So self-plagiarism.
No, that is not the self-plagiarism. If you are copying another person's sentence and changing it a bit, active to passive, or grammatically you change it, as someone said that 6 words should not be there, 6 same words should not be there, then it is plagiarism or not?
Yes, sir.
It is plagiarism. It is called paraphrasing. It is called paraphrasing of the sentence. It is also a Now tell me, one question is there that it is legal thing or moral thing? Plagiarism is legal thing or moral thing? ये लीगल पार्लेंस है या मॉरल क्वेश्चन है?
तो पहले ये सिर्फ मॉरल था, अभी ये लीगल भी है.
Yes, exactly. पहले ये सिर्फ मॉरल था. To start with, it was moral, but it is now becoming legal fast. Yes, you are very right. It is becoming legal fast, and it has become legal. Someone can take a legal action against yourself. Okay. And if you use your paragraph or your sentences from another paper of your or another article of your, then
Sir, auto plagiarism.
a self-plagiarism, that is called. You cannot use that. You can say that it is, I have written that, but the plagiarism detection has been so strict that it has become a type of plagiarism. You cannot copy your paragraph from another article, from another research paper, another book, though the book is written by you, but you cannot copy from that also. That is called self-plagiarism, and that is categorized in the plagiarism also. So what is the idea behind that? You cannot copy your words. Yes. You cannot copy your words. Why it is prohibited that you can not copy your words? क्यों आप अपना ही लिखा हुआ कॉपी, चाहे वो ओरिजिनल हो, इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस इट वाज ओरिजिनल and you copying it in the new paper or new article, then it is plagiarism or not? Why it is plagiarism? Because the idea is that it was published, it is already in the public domain, it is not in your notebook. If you copy something from your notebook which is not published, it is not plagiarism. If you copy from your published work, then it is plagiarism. The idea behind that is that it is already published. What is the point of writing another paper? Isn't it? Yes. I'm getting to you or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you understood by that? That you cannot copy from another of your published article or chapter. You cannot publish it another article or chapter. Right, Shivam?